Hi, this is Ani with Day Trading with Ani, and I am here to look at Apple chart with you. As you may know, that Steve Jobs has resigned as CEO of Apple as of this afternoon, the 24th of August, and it came after our announcement. The stock was halted, and it came to many as a surprise, and for many others, perhaps not. The timing, of course, is what counts most of the time when we are trading, and having it be after hours, it always casts a mystery as to what can happen in the morning. So that's what I'd like to review with you. Before I go there, I do wish Steve Jobs all the best and hope that he will recover and continue with his life in good health. Okay, here we go. I was always following Apple. Well, always is a long time, but definitely trading it for most of my trading life, and been looking at this W pattern formation that was coming up, and I was looking for it to break out for a continuation perhaps of testing the high and even breaking out from it. Of course, right now that is not the case because the halt has created a gap down, starting at about after open from after the announcement. The after hours open at about 365 is where it opened, and you can see right here is where the gap down starts. So we are looking at a gap here between 365 and 375, and it continued down to a 350 low, came back up to about 355 to 358 where it stalled, and that's what is going to be the challenge for the morning. Looking at the overall picture, going back to the day here, let's take a look closer of what can happen. The 365 being the ultimate challenge of a breakout tomorrow, and it depends on, of course, how much of an interest, where it opens, where it plays, and how much of an interest it is, because we cannot forget that this is a highly emotional stock. It's not this is not only about the product, but it's also about a legend, and legend of Steve Jobs, it will forever live. However, his not being at the helm, actively at the helm, will make an impact on a lot of people psychologically, and we don't know how long or how wide that impact will be. Let's take a look at the, let me just keep drawing here the price levels at 350 roughly here, and of course the 358, the stall, which is roughly about there. And once I have these in, I can tell you pretty well that it depends on where it opens, of course, where it's might be going. Just from history and what's you can see that we've been in this area before, so the 355 will be a very important level added to the 358 breakout or the breakdown to revisit the 350. Once the 350 is breached, if it does break down from there, then a 340 is definitely possible following this other trend line, and you can see that we've been there before too. The breakout above 355 to 358 is that's not a breakout, that's really just a play within. The stall at 358, to break that out to revisit the 365 is a positive note, obviously, but it definitely will have to break out the 365 to go higher and back up to regain that gap to 375. So that's about it. Trade it well, trade it carefully, and good luck in the markets tomorrow. Bye bye.